Konnichiwa. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to express want. In this video, or in Japanese, we have to divide the cases of want into two. Wanting a thing versus wanting to do something. So that's want plus a noun versus want plus a verb. In this video, we are going to focus on wanting a thing, wanting a noun, wanting something. In this case, it's rather simple. The word that expresses want something is Hoshii. It's actually an adjective, an e-adjective like utsukushii or kawaii. And so it works in much the same way. So here's how we use it. If I say, inu ga Hoshii desu, that means I want a dog. So how would you say I want a cat? Ooh. Yep. Neko ga hoshii desu. Ignore my mess up. Alright. So, do you remember the forms of e-adjectives? We need to think about affirmative, negative, and present and past. So there are going to be 4 forms. Do you remember them? So we call it an e-adjective because it's the e part that can be chopped off and changed into other forms. And so we need to know those other endings. So we're going to create our chart of past and present, affirmative, and negative. For present, it's going to be e. For negative, we chop off the e and we make it kunai. And for past, chop the e off and make it katta. And past negative, ku na. And see this e that was on the negative? It's like it's now another e-adjective. So to make it past, we're going to change it to katta again. Kunakatta. So let's do the forms of hoshii. We're going to do hoshii now. I'll write it a little bigger so you can see. Oh, I did it again. Hoshii. Hoshikunai. Hoshikatta. Hoshikunakatta. So, can you translate those? Hoshii, want. Hoshikunai, don't want. Hoshikatta, wanted. Hoshikunakatta, didn't want. And you can use these as they are for plain form. So, neko ga hoshii, I want a cat, if you're talking to friends or family. And to make them formal, you just add des to the end. So, inu ga hoshii desu, I want a dog, if you're talking to your teacher. And that's basically it. So I got a challenge for you. How would you say, I wanted a dog, but now I want a cat? I'll draw while you're thinking about it. All right. So, I wanted a dog, but now I want a cat. Inu ga hoshikatta desu. Demo, ima, neko ga hoshii desu. There you go.